Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix your language settings in the Steam application in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So there are several ways how you can customize your language settings to fix possible conflicts or issues here in Steam with your in-game or interface language, for example. First of all, guys, there's a difference between the app or interface language here on Steam and the language you're using for your specific game. So let us start with the interface language first. What you want to do, guys, is navigate to Steam in the top left and select settings. Inside your Steam settings, what you want to do is navigate to the interface tab here to the left. And here, guys, you will see the Steam app or interface language, which is for me, for example, in English, but you can click into that drop-down menu and select one of these supported languages to have Steam displayed in your selected language. Just bear in mind that this will require a restart of the Steam application. That's option number one. You may also check your location settings inside your user profile here on Steam. So to do that, click into a user profile, select profile here, click into edit profile and navigate to the general tab. Here, guys, simply scroll down and under location check which country is your currently selected location. And option number three would be to simply check if the given or installed game supports, for example, specific in-game languages. Some games may do this. So what you want to do is navigate to the library. And here on the left panel, select the game you'd like to play. And after that, right click into it and select properties. And as previously mentioned, some games do feature or give access to this feature, some not. So in some cases, you may see next to general or in the general tab, a section for the game language. So this is a difference, guys, because in this case here, you could customize your language for the given game, but keep your selected interface language here on Steam. So that's two different things. That's how it works. That's how you fix your language settings on Steam in 2026. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.